everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your X account, formerly known as Twitter, to Discord. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open the user settings. Scroll down and select Connections under the User Settings section. This is where you manage linked accounts. To add a new one, tap the Add button in the top right corner. Now you'll see a list of platforms you can connect. From the list, tap on X. A login page will open in your browser. Sign in with your X credentials and authorize Discord to access your profile details. Once that's done, your X account will be successfully connected to Discord. You can also choose whether to show your X username on your Discord profile or keep it hidden. Just toggle the Display on Profile option. And that's it! Your X account is now linked to Discord. If this video helped you out, be sure to like it and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.